Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nessa, and I'm back with another DIY video for you guys. Today I will be showing you guys how I put my own twist onto these laced up jeans, right? That I've been seeing all over the internet. Apparently you can't buy them, so I'm gonna make them. So what I'm gonna show you is basically a finished pair that had already been done from the leftover jeans that I had. I was not wearing it, so I just decided to try it on those jeans first before I moved on to another pair of jeans. The second pair of jeans that I will be showing you the process of it on it is a still very wearable jean, but the hardware is very, very skimpy. So without further ado, let us get into it. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that all the products I'm using I got from Amazon, and I'll be linking everything in the description box down below. Okay guys, so these were the previously made jeans that I did by me. This is what it looked like. I feel like this is such a great way to upcycle clothes, especially jeans, so go ahead and try them out. This is really pretty, and you can hide the laces inside or you can have them showing. It's up to you. But I'm going to go through step by step with you guys how I got these done on my other jeans. Alrighty guys, so for this DIY you're going to need grommets. I got this kit from Amazon, I'll be linking it down below. A pair of scissors, a hammer, also from Amazon, and a marker. And your favorite pair of jeans. I also got a bag of lace from them. They came a little late, but pick the color of your choice. I'll be picking white. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so we're going to go ahead and lay down our jeans on a flat surface. Alright, spread it out the way you like it. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my permanent marker now and eyeball these holes. I'm going to try to do it more in the center around the zipper area, so that way when I pull the lacings together, it can actually have a nice closed fit, if you know what I mean. So what I'm doing here guys is I'm just evening the dots on each side just so we have a nice clean finish. Once you are satisfied with your dots, you're going to go ahead and grab your scissor and just poke holes in the jeans. Get something sharp that will really help you. The toughest part of this jean was actually the top part by the button area, because that part is always thicker than the fabric itself, but make sure you go ahead and create some nice big holes for that. Once you feel satisfied with the holes that you created, you're just going to go ahead and grab your kit, right, and take out the pusher. They have this really great stretcher that will really help you open up those holes a little bit more if need be. You can also always go back with your scissor, cut off a little bit more fabric, and just go ahead and open those holes right on up. Once you feel satisfied with the holes that you've created, you're just going to go ahead and grab your grommets and spread them out, because we're going to have to do this in parts. I went ahead and slowed down this video for you just so you can see how I'm doing this. So you're going to go ahead and grab that round base that they gave you in the kit. You're going to place one end of the garment on top of that round base, and then go ahead and place the jean right on top of those two pieces. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and place the second part of the grommet on top of the jean. Take this little spoolie thingy and hammer it in. And there you have it, a beautifully studded hole, just ready to be laced. You're just going to go ahead and continue doing that same routine for all 8 of your holes that you have until you have perfectly studded holes. If you're wondering why I went back in to take out some of the studs, it's because I finally realized that I had liked it in the opposite direction, which was having the inside part outside and having the outside part inside. I should have switched it. I only switched out a few that kind of looked a little rugged, but despite that little hiccup, it all came together well. This was the way my holes turned out. Everything looked pretty fine. I mean, you can easily see the different sides that I wanted to switch out, but other than that, it still looked really great. Now we are ready to lace them up. So what I did here was I originally started from the top and worked my way down, but when I tried the jeans on, I had to switch it because it did not look right. Before I show you the end result, these are how the jeans looked before. This is how they turned out. I was really surprised. I think they came out great, and the holes were pretty clean. Real quick guys, I just wanted to add in a clothing haul because I just got my package from Shein and I ordered so many summer clothes. So let's get into it. So I got a lot of goodies. I'm really happy about this. So I saw this on Fashion Nova and then I saw it on Shein for even cheaper. Baby, you already know. So this is the first piece I got from Shein. I really like this top. It's called Ditsy Floral print. I matched it with these Fashion Nova shorts just because this is how I would wear this outfit. Again guys, I saw this shirt on Fashion Nova and I wanted to get it as a short sleeve, but I ended up getting the strapless. I love it. I went ahead and bought this boxy ribbed raw cut crop top just because I like it for the cooler days. You know, we live in NY and whatnot. I also bought this really cute laced up shirt that you could just lace up. I don't know why. I just kind of fell in love with this color and the style. Tie-dye is in right now, so I got this pink one. Yeah, bright colors all day. I got this super cute newspaper top. I actually had a hack just because it's a little big in the front. I just took a rubber band and tied it up. Super cute tie-dye top. I might not match it with these shorts, but I had to show you these shorts. Another great long sleeve that I love so much. And these super cute workout tights that have pockets in the side. I really love them. With the mini skirt, guys. Alright, we always need a black mini skirt, okay? I know I'm a little fat, alright? Don't judge me. Love these gray shorts. And I believe that is all for this haul. Alrighty guys, so I hope this video can shed some light on your day, give you something to do, and I hope it was bright and beautiful, just like you. That's all I have for you guys today. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. And remember, Black Lives Matter. We're in this together, okay? Bye guys.